Dear students, now I am going to explain briefly the significance of sound through some pictures and activities prescribed in your textbook. One of the major producing of sound is achieved through musical instrument, and it is very easy to produce sound waves. So, musical instruments are the source of sound primitive. Now, examples for musical instruments are, look at here the pictures: harmonium, tabla, flute, sitar, etc. Proceeding for, we have an activity here. So let us look at the activity. So activity 9.1 in the textbook. What is that activity? Yes, we can look at here. Take a metal plate or pan. Hang it at a convenient place in such a way that it does not touch any wall. Now strike it with a stick. Do you hear the sound? Touch the plate or pan gently with your finger. Do you feel any vibrations? Next, again strike the plate with the stick and hold it tightly with your hands. Immediately after striking, do you still hear the sound? Touch the plate after it stops producing sound. Can you feel the vibrations? Now, from this activity, we can conclude that, so when we touch the pan gently with our finger, after striking it, we feel the vibration. When we hold the pan tightly after striking it, we do not hear any sound. When the pan stops producing sound, it also stops vibrating. Thus, we can conclude that vibrating body produces sound. Moving on it is given that sounds are produced through the mechanism of vibrating material. Let us take a look at it. Activity 9.2. Yes, what is it explained? Take a rubber band, put it surround the longer side of the pencil box. Insert two pencils between the box and the stretched rubber band. Now plug the rubber band somewhere in the middle. Do you hear any sound? Does the sound will vibrate? Yes. Look at the picture. Plucking the rubber band. This is the picture. So this activity concludes that yes, we hear the sound on plucking the rubber band also. We find that the band is vibrating. Thus all the vibrating bodies produces sound. Further ahead, the prescribed activity explains. Now activity 9.3. Take a metal dish, pour water in it, strike it at its edge with a spoon. Do you hear sound? Again strike the dish and then touch it. Can you feel the dish vibrating? Strike the dish again. Look at the surface of water. Do you see any waves there? Now hold the dish. What change do you observe on the surface of water? Can we possible to explain this change? Yes, this activity explains that. So look at the picture. This is the picture of vibrating dish produces waves in water. Yes. So this activity explains that on striking the metal dish, we hear the sound, and on touching it, we feel the dish vibrating, striking the dish with water. So we see circular waves are produced. Thus vibrating object produces sound. From these experiments, we can get conclusion that vibrating substances produces sound.